Okay, getting in the nitty gritty. At the moment, right now, the only power I have close to my instrument cluster is this little USB-C thing right here. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, the first item I have here is a Gerbing, the heated gear adapter. This will change this from the coaxial type adapter that plugs in under the seat of the Pan Am to SAE, what we're all used to. I'm hearing that the SAE will have to be inverted from what's on the Pan Am, so I grabbed these little guys, again, off Amazon, on my own. No one's giving me crap. And I'm going to use this dual USB charger. Okay, so from on the front seat, let me put this cable down. We have a couple little holders here for heated gear. I'm going to plug in my adapters and see if I can get power. You don't need to see me plug them in, so let's see what it looks like. Got it hooked up. Heated plug into the reverse polarity into my dual USB guy. Let's do a quick plug in, see if it works. Should have my key on me. Let's see how this works. Okay, turn this on in accessory mode. Check. I got power. That is so cool. I do like this widget. Okay, so this is what I have. See if I have to turn it on. There is my voltage. Let's see if it's not going to work. 12.5, 12.4, 12.5. That is good. Here's the rough cut, what I did on my phone. Hope the audio is good. Here is the heated gear warmer plug for the Pan America. There's two. One, two. I only used one. I used a Gerber coaxial plug into an SAE plug. Remember, it's reverse polarity, but what I did here is I went ahead on the cable I was running, I ran it through and I reversed the polarity. I just switched the wires here, shrink tube them, run them down. Here I got some heat resistant loom. It's pretty good. I used to use it in work. Run that down behind this little plastic guy. Alright. Oh. Alright, I don't know if you can see. And I just kind of run it fairly loosely, maybe I would say, along this rail. Not sure what this rail is for. Then kind of went through the plastic head in there and just kind of tied it off. What's running along the tank is SAE on both ends. That's why I cut this end off, just so I could run it through nice and smooth. Did not want to take the tank off. And I needed a place to mount it, so I just put it right here. I use some of the 3M double adhesive. I'll probably go back with a black Sharpie. You guys ride safe, be kind to each other, stay warm. Thanks for watching. Minnow out.